Hi everyone, I'm Brian, an engineer with MagTorch, and here I have our micro torch to show you. And this is a refillable butane torch, refillable with the MagTorch butane, of course. Underneath the torch, you'll find the port to fill it up with butane, and you'll be ready to go. This features a safety lock, which you will trigger there in the back, and then activate with this push to activate button. Automatic ignition, and then over here on the side is your run lock, if you wish to keep it on like that. And now this adjustable precision flame is going to be perfect for your hobbies, your arts and crafts projects, burning the ends of rope like this, and then also in the kitchen for cooking. We've got a marshmallow here just to show you how to give it a nice little toasting on top there, give it some good color, just like that. And turn it off just like this, ready to go for the next one. For more information, make sure to check out magtorch.com.